And versus list and dict, which is better? I understand that they are both essentially the same thing, but in terms of style, which is the better, more Pythonic one to use to create an empty list or dict?
In terms of speed, it's no competition for empty lists/dicts. And for non-empty, also, using the bracket notation lets you use list and dictionary comprehensions, which may be reason enough.
In my opinion, and are the most Pythonic and readable ways to create empty lists/dicts. Be wary of sets though, for example. Can be confusing. The first creates a set with one element, the second creates an empty dict and not a set.
The dict literal might be a tiny bit faster as its bytecode is shorter. Same applies to the list versus.
Be careful, list end works differently. List always creates a new object on the heap, but can reuse memory cells in many situations.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.